Celebrity fans have seen one of the most talked about and controversial trials of 2022. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the recent situation of Amber Heard and Johnny Depp's defamation trial. Stay tuned to know more. Hollywood star Johnny Depp had filed a defamation suit against his former wife Amber Heard for writing a 2018 op-ed for the Washington Post, which revealed that he had abused her. The trial ended earlier in 2022, after jurors found Amber guilty of defaming Depp. Now, the actress has agreed to a valid settlement with her former husband, while putting an end to years of legal disputes over different statements of abuse during their relationship. In an Instagram post, the actress said that agreeing to the settlement was a difficult decision, and was taken after a great amount of consideration. The statement read, "It's important for me to say that I never chose this. I defended my truth, and in doing so my life as I knew was destroyed. The vilification I faced on social media is an amplified version of the ways in which women are re-victimized when they come forward. Now I finally have an opportunity to emancipate myself from something I've attempted to leave over 6 years ago, and on terms I can agree to. I've made no admission. This is not an act of confession. There are no restrictions or gags with respect to my voice moving forward. I make this decision having lost faith in the American legal system, where my unprotected testimony served as entertainment and social media fodder." Heard also criticized the US media for favoring popularity and power over direct evidence. Johnny Depp is also happy with it being the end of this long defamation conflict with Amber Heard and the settlement between the former married couple. In a statement given after Amber revealed a deal between them, Depp said he plans to donate $1 million paid by Amber to different charities. His lawyers Benjamin Chu and Camille Vasquez said that their client's priority was about bringing the truth to light. While no paperwork has been filed in the Virginia court dockets, it seems like the agreement between Depp and Heard ends both parties' appeal claims. Despite her statement to the contrary, it also seems like the judgment delivered against the actress by a Virginia jury on June 1 still stands and could be implemented if she publicly repeated the same statements of defamation against Johnny Depp that her ex-husband has initially sued over in March 2019. Before we move ahead, if you're liking the content so far, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's continue. Well, Johnny Depp's statement says, "We're pleased to formally close the door on this painful chapter for Mr. Depp, who made clear throughout this process that his priority was about bringing the truth to light. The jury's unanimous decision and the resulting judgment in Mr. Depp's favor against Ms. Heard remain fully in place. The payment of $1 million, which Mr. Depp is pledging and will donate to charities, reinforces Mrs. Heard's acknowledgement of the conclusion of the legal system's rigorous pursuit for justice." This announcement has come less than a month after Amber Heard and her new legal team initiated formal appeal of the June 1 decision that was found against her in a Virginia court. After weeks of bitter and often lurid testimony by both parties, Depp was awarded $10 million in compensatory damages and $5 million in punitive damages by the panel. Before releasing the Fairfax County jury, Judge Penny Akazarate reduced the punitive damage figures to $350,000. However, while giving Amber Heard a dramatic loss, the jurors also gave her a $2 million counterclaim award. That counterclaim award in the First Amendment proved that the possible wedge by which Heard's constitutional law specialist, Ballard Spahr LLP lawyers, hoped to succeed in an appeal. The strange part of the requirements of an appeal in Virginia was that Heard would have to pay an $8.35 million bond with 6% interest per year before she could move forward. However, the actress did not have this amount of money. There was no news on the specifications of the settlement, or whether it involved Depp's own November 3rd filed appeal over that counterclaim award. However, Amber Heard has made a balanced payout to her former Rum Diary co-star in the world of $1 million. During a series of legal actions, Depp sued his ex-wife Amber Heard in March 2019 for $50 million over a late 2018 Washington Post op-ed under her byline. In the article, the American Civil Liberties Union ambassador spoke about becoming a public figure representing domestic abuse. While Amber never mentioned the actor by his name in the piece in the Jeff Bezos-owned broadsheet, Depp claimed that the op-ed has destroyed his career. He was silent during the couple's restraining order-loaded 2016 divorce. However, in his filings and frequently on the stand during the media-saturated Virginia trial earlier this year, Depp declared he was the one who got abused in their relationship. After failing to get the matter dismissed or moved to another jurisdiction, Amber Heard countersued Depp for $100 million in the summer of 2020. This happened months before Depp's UK libel case against the Rupert Murdoch-owned The Sun tabloid for calling him a wife-beater proved a dramatic flameout in November 2020. Dealing with an ongoing legal battle among her insurance firms over paying for a defense and more, a self-declared stateless Amber Heard also proved ineffective in her initial experiments to have the Virginia verdict overturned or tossed out. Now it seems like it's all over between the ex-Hollywood couple. What's your take on this topic? Tell us in the comment section below. With that being said, it's time to end today's video. Press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting stuff. Peace out.